In this video, I'll show you how to track categories in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to create a tracking category. In order for you to create a tracking category, simply head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, click on the sixth option, which is Accounting. Now, under Accounting, you want to head over to the very bottom and click on Accounting Settings. Now, that will take you to the Settings page, and from here, what you want to do is simply head over to Accounting section, and on the fifth option under accounting, you will see the option for tracking categories. Now, what you want to do is simply click on tracking categories. And once you are on the tracking categories section in here, what you can do is simply add a tracking category. In order for you to do that, simply head over to the top and left corner. And in here, you will have a plus sign to add a tracking category. So just simply click on it. Now, once you do that, a untitled category will automatically pop up. And from here, you can add your tracking category name. Let's say I want to add a tracking category name for my department or team, just for me to see which department spends or earns the most. So, what I want to do in here is add the title as a department. And on the category options, since I have my department as my category team, I want to add my team. So, I have four teams. One is for admin, operations, marketing. And if you want to add another item or another line within these category options, simply head over to the bottom and click on Add Another Item. Now it will add a new line, and from here, I want to add sales. And you can add more items other than the category options in which I have added. And once you're done, head over to the bottom in the right corner and click on the green button to save. Now, once you click on save, it will automatically add the tracking category within this tab. Now, there are a lot of ways for you to use these tracking categories. The first way is to add it within our transactions. Now, in order for you to do that, simply head over to the top and left corner. And from here, you want to click on sales. And in here, you can actually add it to your invoices and your quotes. So let's say we want to add these to our invoices. And whenever we try and create a new invoice, on the invoice section, if you scroll down in here, usually what you only have is tax amount and the amount. In here, you will have a tracking category, one for region and one for department. So I added department, and from here, I can add no tracking, the admin, marketing, operations, or sales. And on the region, I can add east side, north, south, or west coast. On the quotes section, this will also be the same. As you can see, I can add a tracking option for the region as well as the department. On the profit and loss section, I can also filter my categories. So on the compare tracking categories, in here I can set a tracking category for my department as well as my region. Let's say I want to add the east side, and on the department this should be the admin, and if I click on apply at the bottom in the right corner, it will automatically set as a tracking category to compare with. Now on the filter, I can also filter the categories in which I have added. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.